Hi friends, I am Sachin Malhotra. I'm going to be solving homework 4, problem number 2. The problem states that y is equal to gx and we are given fy of y is e raised to power minus y u of y and we have to find gx. And also given that x is a uniform variable, random variable between minus 1 and 1. That is a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 1. So PDF of uniform random variable is 1 upon b minus a. So the probability density function becomes 1 upon minus 2. From this we can find probability distribution function, that is from minus infinity to x fx dx. Now we know that our random variable lies between minus 1 and 1, so we can say that it ranges from minus 1 to x, and from this we can find the probability distribution function that comes out to be half times x plus 1. Now we know that small fy of y is given as e raised to power minus y u of y. In the similar manner as we found f capital X of x, we can find the capital F y of y, that is minus infinity to y e times e to the power minus y u of y dy. So this becomes from 0 to y, since it is multiplied by uy, that is the unit step functions, the output becomes 1 minus e raised to a minus y. Now for finding gx, we know that capital F of x equal to capital Fy. So solve for y in terms of x. So we know that half of 1 plus x equal to 1 minus e raised to power y, e raised to power minus y. Solving like this, we get the y equal to minus of ln 1 minus x upon 2. So gx becomes minus ln 1 minus x upon 2 for x between minus 1 and 1. For x less than minus 1, the gx becomes 0. And for x greater than 1, gx becomes infinity. This can be seen from this plot. That is the plot of ln x. Thank you.